Hey guys, welcome back into my channel. Today I have decided to come back into the city center and specifically to the area of where Alexander Nevski Cathedral is, because in my previous two videos I could not include all the historical buildings and landmarks that are interesting to visit, and I would like to continue with that today. As far as filming is concerned, it hasn't been so easy to get out and film, mainly because of the weather and also because of the virus. I'm trying to protect my father and avoid mixing with people, at least during the winter months. But as soon as the weather improves, I will take a few trips away from Sofia to show you Plovdiv, which is the oldest city in Europe, the Rila Monastery, and some other interesting places. Stay tuned, and I hope you will enjoy this video. My first stop is the most controversial monument in Sofia, and this is the monument of the Soviet Army. It was built in 1954 to honor the role of the Russian soldiers in combating fascism in Europe and liberating Bulgaria during the World War II. Some Bulgarians dislike the monument because it's a reminder of our communist past. Others really consider the Soviets as our liberators. But regardless of being controversial, the monument is part of our history and deserves to remain as a testimony of the past to the future generations and to the tourists visiting the capital city of Bulgaria, Sofia. This building is the Sofia University Kliment Ohridski. It was built in 1888. The monument to the Tsar Liberator was built in 1907 as a token of gratitude from the Bulgarian nation to the Russian Emperor Alexander II for liberating the country from the Ottoman rule. Behind the monument we have the Intercontinental Hotel, and on the opposite side of the road is the National Assembly of Bulgaria. The National Assembly of Bulgaria has been the seat of the Bulgarian parliament since the 1880s. And if you look around, you can see several more attractions in this area. And just across you can see the Bulgarian Academy of Sciences. It was built in 1892 and it was designed by the architect Hermann Mayer. And if you keep walking straight, you will come across the gorgeous building of the Alexander Nevski Cathedral. Right next to the cathedral, you will see the National Gallery of Foreign Art. It displays a collection of 10,000 museum items, sculptures, graphics, paintings, and fine arts. The Vasilevskiy Monument was built in 1895 to commemorate the Bulgarian national hero Vasil Levski, who ignited the liberation process against the Ottoman Empire. The Bulgarian National Library, St. Cyril and St. Methodius, is a stunning-looking structure located on the way from the Sofia University to the Monument of Vasil Levski. The monument right in front of the library represents the Bulgarian brothers St. Cyril and St. Methodius, who invented the Cyrillic alphabet. And now I am on the way to the Doctor's Garden. The Doctor's Monument was erected in 1884 in memory to the doctors and medical workers who lost their lives in the Russian-Turkish Liberation War. I think these are random stones from the ancient Serdica. Okay, so this is a shop for paintings. And this is Martenica, which is actually something specific for Bulgaria that you wear on the 1st of March. But I'm gonna make a separate video about that. But as you can see here, there are a lot of small paintings inside, and all of them are for sale, and quite affordable actually, because look, this small one is about 60 euros, and this ballerina is about 70 euros. In this area behind the Sofia University, you can find some cool bars, restaurants and small art shops. That's why I really enjoy walking around and exploring this part of the city. This is the end of today's vlog. Stay safe, stay happy, and see you next time.